Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be exploring the secret lab in Toca Life Hospital. So let's get right into the video. Look at Dr. Lisa, she looks weird. Let's take her up. Hold on, let me turn up my volume up a little bit. Let's go, alright. Okay, let's give her the tablets, pills. Take her mask off. Perfect. She's back to normal. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys a tour of each floor. So first we got this floor right here. We've got this character right here. But today's not because of that. It's because of the secret lab. Today we're gonna be exploring the secret lab. So let's go explore. You have to press buttons to get to the secret lab. Whoa, the alarm goes off if you walk past the lasers. So you need to take out the lasers first before entering. Look at this. You can do many kinds of experiments like this. Alright, I have to make her melt slow again. There we go. Alright, let's close the secret lab. Okay. Pills will always help with when you have this condition. Pills are always handy. Yep, she's back to normal. Alright, gotta go get back to work. Alright, we're gonna go explore the next floor, which is actually this floor. Oh my gosh, the alarm is going off. I better turn that off. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Calm it down. Alright, sorry about that, guys. We're just gonna do something. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, it's done. Alright, let's go to the next floor. The alarm's going off too. I have to turn off every single alarm that's going off. Good. Alright. Now let's head back to the secret lab. See, if you don't clear the lasers, if you tap the lasers, then they go away. Then you can pass. But if the lasers are closed, then you pass through it. The alarm goes off. See, look, the alarm goes off. See? Looks like Dr. Lisa is swimming. Alright, let's get out of here. Close that. Alright, let's close all of this. Alright, I guess everything's all better now. Here's Dr. Germs, so find out what happens in the next video. Bye guys. Fire extinguisher. Oop. Bye guys.